guys won. Giant sticky robot guy, nothing. Wowee, that is one big hunk of junk. Let's get him, boys. Yes, nice. Doggone it, I could really use some help here, guys. Somebody please help me.
How can I read this? So how can I find out more? So let's read this and we'll find out. Let's see here. Dear Sandy, please come to Australia and invite me something over in the holidays. Maybe an invite to America, to Australia. So that's how it goes, don't you?
That is what you get when you fool around with the Texas Twister. Y'all better stay down now, you hear? Y'all mess with the bull, you get the horns. I spin around, you go down. That's what I call a round and round roundhouse. You just got a taste of a Texas T-bone. Get out of the way. Trouble coming through. I just gave you an asteroid belt. Just call me Satellite Sandy. This is more fun than fishing pickles out of a barrel. Nope.
Oh, and that's how you just do the first dance that I ever heard. Now, how can I find out more?